What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on an Acura Smart Key. This Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2032. And the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this button on the front, and that'll allow the key to slide out. And now I'm going to use this key to open this. You might find this easier to use a flathead screwdriver, but I'll show you how to do it with the key. What I like to do is if you hold it with the buttons facing down, and then we go on the bottom here, we're going to kind of pry against this metal piece right here. So I'm going to put the key in and just kind of pry up like this. So put it in like that, and then pry up. I'll split it. So then go ahead and take the back off. And now we can see our battery right here. And for this part, I like to use a flathead screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery and get it out. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up like that. Now if you kind of just put your thumb on this and put some pressure and flip it over, and make sure your buttons are all lined up, they can slide out of place pretty easy. If you need to, slide them back where they need to be. And then we'll grab our back, snap that on, put our emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.